let me tell you what is not known that even you are having trouble figuring out because you don't contemplate it. That everything's happening this moment. And whatever we do this moment changes the patterns of gravity and time. An example is as we become more decisive in this moment, all of our past is affected, not just to this lifetime, but to all lifetimes. History then is a history in flux, in change. And is that not then more equitable to the answer that Moses got when Moses wanted to know the name of God, because in the name he could decipher who and what he was? And the answer was, I am becoming that which I desire to become. Becoming doesn't mean that God is being reincarnated. Becoming is the quantum decision that it can be anything and everything beyond our imagination, and yet it all exists. And when we are more godly, here is a great and wonderful notice to our godliness. First truth, what is hidden in us should come out and never enslave us, and we should take our power away from the very issues in which we have been ashamed of and fear. Fear is a tremendous neutralizer of human intent and decision. What we are afraid of inside of ourselves, that we are afraid of ourselves. What have we got hidden? What are we afraid to be? We have and must know. And indeed, we must be it. And that when indeed we have found this level of freedom within ourselves, that we are no longer afraid, we intuitively and wisely understand that we have been protecting a place inside of us. Now that it is no longer protective, that which we have protected has vanished. And now we are free to go on our way. With that, we gain power back. In truth, we gain power back. In speaking it, we gain power back. And why do we need the power? To drive this auto machine into the quantum world. That's what we need it for. That our passion is that if we are God and we are decision, then our decision is to unfold the quantum moment and be timeless. And in that we shall never die.